Hey guys, it's Diane Tosetti with Microsemi's Programmable Business Unit. In today's video, I'll be unboxing Microsemi's own PolarFire FPGA evaluation kit. PolarFire FPGAs deliver up to 500,000 logic elements, 12.7 gig transceivers at up to 50% lower power than competing mid-range FPGAs. Our cost-optimized, lowest power FPGAs offer the smallest package sizes, a non-volatile, flash-based FPGA fabric, high-performance I/Os, SGM-II interfaces on GPIO pins, best-in-class hardened security features, and SEU immunity. This board enables the evaluation of high-performance applications and functions across broad markets like communications, industrial, defense, and aviation. The kit is ideally suited for high-speed transceiver evaluation and can support applications such as 10 gigabit Ethernet, PCIe, IEEE 1588, JESD 204B, SYNC, CPRI, RISC-V, and more. The kit comes with a 1-year gold license for our comprehensive, easy-to-use Libero SoC PolarFire design suite and soft console, our Eclipse-based, Linux-hosted, or Windows-based integrated development environment for your embedded design, leveraging the RISC-V instruction set architecture or ARM Cortex-M1. The Libero tool simplifies design entry using our block-based Smart Design, HDL Flow, DSP Flow, or Embedded Design Flow. It comes with Smart Debug. This is a Microsemi exclusive tool that offers an oscilloscope inside your FPGA, utilizing minimal resources and requires no recompile. There's also a hardware BERT and eye monitor to expedite transceiver debug. Smart Debug allows you to observe and control your design without recompile, which greatly shortens the debug cycle, and it's only available from Microsemi. Let's get into the details of the kit. Inside the box, you'll find the PolarFire evaluation board, a 12-volt power pack and AC adapter, a USB 2.0 male to USB mini cable, and a quick start guide. Additional documentation, user guides, and reference designs can be downloaded from the Microsemi PolarFire page at www.microsemi.com/PolarFire. In addition, numerous demo designs which run on the PolarFire Eval board include PCIe, 10 gigabit Ethernet, transceiver loopback, JESD 204B, and more, all available to download. The board is populated with a 300,000 logic element device in our FCG 1152 package, offering 512 total user I/O, 24 GPIO clock and data recovery for leveraging gigabit Ethernet via SGM-II, and 16 lanes of 12.7 gig transceivers. We've also included a high pin count FPGA mezzanine card connector, SFP plus cage, SMA connectors for full duplex testing of the 12.7 gig transceivers, 2 RJ45 ports, and 4 PCIe edge connections, RVI, IAR, and JTAG programming headers, user buttons, and some LEDs. The platform features a 4 gig by 32 DDR4 and 2 gig by 16 DDR3 and 2 by 1 gig SPI flash memories. We've designed in a multi-port triple-speed PHY, an IEEE 1588 and clock network synchronizer, and a power monitoring area, which allows real-time onboard power measurement. We've made it easy for you to view the power consumption of the PolarFire chip on the Eval board. You can download a power monitoring GUI to see the power consumption of your design in the PolarFire device. PolarFire FPGAs offer up to 50% lower power, smallest form factor, highest security, flash-based FPGAs, and this kit will help you accelerate your next design to prototype. Our complete PolarFire evaluation kit and the Microsemi Libero and soft console development tools will enable your ideas to become a reality. This concludes the overview of our PolarFire evaluation platform. To learn more, visit www.microsemi.com/PolarFire to download our power estimator, user guides, demos, and data sheets. Thank you.